Most people believe saving money is boring. But what if saving money was your biggest superpower? A high savings rate can change your entire financial future. Yet, most people ignore this powerful strategy. Today, you'll discover the hidden benefits of saving more money and why it matters more than earning more. Your savings rate is the percentage of income you keep. It's not about how much you earn. It's about how much you don't spend. A higher savings rate gives you control. Control creates financial freedom. The first benefit is financial security. High savings protect you during emergencies. Unexpected expenses become manageable. You stop living paycheck to paycheck. Security reduces financial stress. A high savings rate creates freedom. You can leave bad jobs. You can take career risks safely. Savings buy you time. Time is the real wealth. High savings accelerate wealth building. You invest more consistently. Compound growth works faster. Small differences create big outcomes. Savings rate matters more than returns early on. Start by tracking your spending. Cut low-value expense first. Automate your savings. Increase savings when income rise. Progress beats perfection. Saving money is a skill anyone can learn. A high savings rate is your financial superpower. The sooner you start, the better the results. Subscribe to Money Nestify for smart money tips.